Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious scrambled eggs with cheese. First, crack your eggs into a bowl, typically 2 or 3 per serving. Next, choose a cheese that melts well, like sharp cheddar or a creamy Monterey Jack. Have your non-stick pan ready and a whisk or fork for mixing. This simple preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Add a splash of milk or cream to your eggs and whisk them gently until just combined, avoiding overmixing. Heat a small amount of butter in your non-stick pan over medium-low heat until it's shimmering. Pour in the egg mixture and let it sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. Once the eggs are mostly set but still a little wet on top, it's time for the cheese. Sprinkle your shredded cheese evenly over the surface. Using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, folding it over itself. Continue this gentle folding until the cheese is melted and the eggs are cooked to your desired creaminess, then remove from heat. Serve your cheesy scrambled eggs immediately for the best experience. A sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of hot sauce can elevate the flavor even further. Don't forget to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, cheesy scrambled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.